Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus SIMUL8 butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus SIMUL8 butt plug itself with a cock ring and ball stretcher as well. So it does feature a very unique design and of course a unique way of stimulation for him. Now this is a dual anal and perineum cock and ball toy, so it's perfect for maximum satisfaction alone or with a partner as well. The super stretchy cock and ball ring will allow you to keep you harder for a longer and harder erection. Very stretchy for the perfect fit and also made of a body safe silicone for a very comfortable feel as well. Whilst the vibrating plug and base will stimulate the anus and perineum as you thrust. Again, it is made of a body safe silicone and the butt plug features stimulating ribbing just here as well. This part is flexible and the shaft with the butt plug is not flexible. You can control both motors independently, giving you a wave of pleasure combinations. They're very simple and easy to use. Press once on each motor and a green light will appear. This indicates both motors are now on. Press on one and the vibrations begin. And to change the vibration combinations, simply click on that same button. You can have lots of fun finding your perfect combination. To turn off the motors, push and hold down for a few seconds on each one until they're off. The charging point is located just at the bottom of the base here. Using your magnetic USB charging cable provided, simply attach the two dots together like so, and it will charge for you. Also included is a Nexus user manual to help you with your experience. When using the SIMUL8 butt plug, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean it after every use. And for this, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus SIMUL8 butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.